This is the BBC Northeast Wing Patek Philippe clock controller. I don't know very much about these units, but I've applied a 30-volt signal. It says it requires a 48 volt, so it's not working properly. You can see here the master clocks are pulsing the way they should be. The drone clocks, some of them are working, some of them are not. This could be a voltage issue. This could be, but they need a little bit of a service. Some of them don't move at all, although if I turned off the power supply and back on again, the alarm light would come on, so there's definitely power getting to them. These ones aren't moving. If we see down here, these are actually moving because I've set them to advance a minute. If I turn it off, they stop. Now I can only assume that when there's a half-minute pulse, it will move. Again, not all of these clocks are moving. That one's moving every 2 seconds. Same with that one. Again, this is because rather than them moving every 30 seconds, it's in plus advanced mode. I can turn that off and they'll stop moving. I've turned on all the advanced movements on these ones just so that I can show that most of these clocks are working. The unit, some of these clocks may require a service, or it may be that the signal isn't coming through that should be. In the back of the unit we have the power input, clock output, the main clock system. Not 100% sure what all these wires do. These ones seem to go to the back of the metering circuit. This one seems to come out the back of the 1 Hz pulse system. This here seems to be connected to the possibly a pulse Lambda pulse input. We've got the drone system where there is no extra connector. Output to the clocks, which go to this trunking block here, to those cables that we saw at the top of the machine, to the clocks. Quick look at the diagram. We've got these two signals here. Pin 20 is connected to that top block as mentioned, possible pulse input, going to an XOR gate, or XNOR gate I should say, which is wired into the main clock system, so there's a good chance that that signal there, a possible 1 Hz pulse into it, would synchronise all the clocks together. I haven't tried that yet. We've got an external radio signal input, which by the looks of things, following the circuit diagram through and around, also goes up to the same clock system as the rest of the units, so that's possibly another synchronizing input. Again, another one which also goes back up through the same NAND gate as the antenna, through a JK flip-flop, through another NAND gate, to an exclusive OR gate, to another exclusive OR gate, and back to the same circuitry as the timing circuit. Down here we've got the main battery input, which is what I believe I'm putting the voltage into. I haven't really got a great knowledge of this machine, so I'm not 100% sure how to test them properly. And as I say, I think the power supply I've got is not strong enough to do so. but it does look like as if at least the majority of the clocks are actually working, and some may require a service.